Hi kids, Nnọọ. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our Nchikọta aha Aụmanụ Igbo Water World Edition, Uwa Mmiri. Today's spotlight is on a snappy, sideways walking animal that lives in and around rivers and beaches. Can you guess? It has claws. It scurries on the sand, and in Igbo, it's called Nshịkọ or Nsịkọ. It's the crab. There are two words in Igbo for crab, depending on the dialect. There's Nshịkọ and Nsịkọ. Now, let's say them slowly together. Nsịkọ. Nshịkọ. Fantastic, good job. Fun facts: crabs walk sideways. That's how their legs move best. They live in and around rivers, streams, and oceans. Some crabs can live both on land and in water. Crabs use their big claws to grab food or defend themselves. Crabs may look a little scary with their big claws, but they are just trying to protect themselves. Sometimes, like crabs, we all want our space too, and that's okay. Just like Nsịkọ stays on his own, people need space too, and being kind is understanding that. Let's try it again. Nshịkọ. Nsịkọ. Crab. Let's try a sentence. Nshịkọ maọbụ Nsịkọ na-aga ije n'akụkụ mmiri. The crab walks along the water. So kids, did you enjoy meeting Nsịkọ or Nshịkọ? Then hit that like button, tell your friends, and come back for more fun animal names in Igbo. Until next time, ka ọ dị na ụmụaka. And Nshịkọ says, gaa nke ọma.